Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I think it's been a month and a half since I started my YouTube journey, and I thought it was about time I did an introductory video because I think you guys don't know much about me beyond my name and the city where I come from. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm actually just sitting at a coffee shop and I thought this would be the perfect time to record this kind of a video. I wasn't too sure how to do this, so I thought I pulled out actually a list of questions that I found on the internet that apparently new YouTubers should answer so that their subscribers can get to know them better. Yeah, today I'm just going to answer all of these questions, and I think in the process you guys will also get to know me a little bit. So I have actually recorded this video outside of home, so I apologize if there's like a lot of noise in the background. I hope you guys can still hear me clearly. Okay, so I'm starting with all the questions now. What is your name? Of course, my name is Saloni. You guys know that by now. Where were you born and brought up? So I was actually born in and brought up in a very small town called Ankleshwar, which is in Gujarat. My parents still live there, but we're actually basically from UP. My husband's family is from Bihar, but I have been around a lot. I was for the first 15 years of my life, I was in Ankleshwar in Gujarat, and then I was in Delhi for 2 years, and then I was in Pune for 3 years. Then I was also in Mumbai for a short while. I did go back to Gujarat for a while again. Then I was in Sonipat. So basically, I've been around a lot. I've been working in Delhi, Bangalore. Yeah. Okay. Where do you currently live? I currently live in Bangalore. My husband and I both work here. What do you do for a living? So I'm actually a marketing professional. I work as a digital media expert with one of the leading education companies in the country. Where did you study? So I did my economics, bachelor's in economics from Symbiosis in Pune, and I did my master's in leadership and liberal arts from this program called Young India Fellowship, which happens out of Sonipat. Are you married? Yes, I am. You guys would have seen my husband in a lot of my videos. What's your favorite food? Wow, difficult question. I'm a huge foodie, which you guys would know by now. Like most of my videos are around food. I think I'm crazy about Oriental food. So I love Chinese, Japanese, Vietnamese food. I also love food from Bhutan. And of course Indian food is like the best thing ever. But it's not that I'm very particular about cuisines. As long as the food is tasty, as long as it's non-veg, I love non-veg. I can eat like any kind of food. What's your favorite color? So it keeps changing a lot, but I think my current favorite color is blue. I also like red, I like purple, I like white and black. They're like my evergreen favorites. What are some of your bad habits? Oh God, there's a long list. But I think so one thing that I've always worried about is the fact that I just cannot get up in the morning. I'm a crazy night person. Like mornings are just not my time of the day. So I wish I was this person who would get up early in the morning and do all kinds of things, but I'm just not that, and that's like a huge struggle for me, and I wish I was one of these people who would get up in the morning. So I think not being able to get up in the morning is like the worst habit that I have right now. Last book you read? Harry Potter and Cursed Child. So I'm a huge Potterhead. I love Harry Potter. If any of you guys are Potterheads, please do let me know in the comment section. Would love to talk to you about it. Favorite subject in school? Economics and mathematics. I loved them, both of them. I think I liked most of the subjects. What I hated was political science. My God, I could not stand that subject. What app do you use the most? Given that I live in Bangalore and traffic is like an eternal struggle here, I think Ola and Uber are the apps that I use all the time. I would never want to drive in a city like Bangalore. If you could give advice to your younger self, what would it be? Wow, philosophical. I think I would ask my younger self to inculcate the habit of waking up early in the morning right from early days, because as a kid it really didn't impact me so much, but now that I'm doing so many things, now that I have like myself and my entire home to take care of, I think not being able to get up in the morning is like an everyday struggle. So I think that's like the biggest advice that I would give to my younger self. Also, I would also tell my younger self to not worry so much about so many things. Like I used to be eternally worried about so many things in school. Like I was always this worried child who was always concerned about grades and which college would I get into and what would I do when I grow up. And I remember being worried for like a major part of my childhood. So I think now that I go back and think about it, I don't think that I should have done that really. So maybe that. Who's your role model? Oh my god, hands down, my mother. She has done so much in her life. I have seen her juggle family, work, and I never saw her complain for a minute. Like she has done so much for all of us in our family. Like she's one person that I really look up to, and I don't think I will ever reach the level that she was at in her life. I think she's like my most favorite person, and of course like my biggest role model. Who's your favorite YouTuber? Oh my god, so many of them. But I think top 3 would be Zoella. She makes amazing. She's so inspiring. Mimi Icon, because she makes these really nice philosophical videos which I kind of relate to. And my favorite Indian original YouTuber is of course Lily Singh. She's so hilarious. And I think she was one of the biggest reasons why I thought I wanted to do something like this. So what is your vision for your channel? Wow, that's actually a really interesting question. So I always loved cooking. Cooking was one of the things that I enjoyed doing the most in the world. And I also realized that there were a lot of young people like me who were new to the world of, juggling work and career and home and all of those things together. So I thought if there was anything that I could do to help them out and in the process also learn new things myself, that would like be the perfect deal. And I thought YouTube was like the ideal platform to do that, and that was the biggest motivation for me to start my channel. So my dream or my vision for the channel would ideally be to learn new things every day and also help out people who are like me, looking out for new ideas and new content every day. So yeah, that's it. And that's it. I've covered all the questions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've tried to keep it really short and very informal. Do let me know if there are more questions that you guys want to ask me. You can ask those in the comment section and I would reply back to you immediately or as soon as I can. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching the kind of videos that I do. And do leave video requests if you have any in the comment section. I will see you next time. Bye bye.